instead of hearing that these premises to which locks were put by the ACB were not sealed, neither the keys which they kept in their possession after locking these premises were sealed. Today, the public prosecutor admitted in the open court that actually these locks were not sealed by them and these keys were also not sealed. Therefore, this vindicates my submission on the last date that these premises could have been tampered with between the 16th and the 20th. See, the anti-corruption branch raided the premises on 16th and thereafter they informed the crime branch on 19th and the crime branch again searched the premises on 20th when they say they found this. So there's 4 days delay. There's no reason for this 4 days delay. They ought to have done this search immediately on the 16th itself or the 17th or 18th. So there is a delay in information. In the meantime, they had these locks, the keys of these locks which were not sealed, and therefore there is the possibility. As an accused, I have to prove beyond doubt that there's a tampering which has taken place. I just have to show that there is a possibility of tampering, and which has already been sort of admitted that there's possibilities there has been admitted by the prosecution. It is fixed for orders on the 6th. I've also submitted before the court that there appears to be some confusion in the prosecution. I appear for the brother of Babu Kavlekar, Mr. Babal. I have claimed that the possession of the rooms were with me. Now they allege that no, it is not with Babal, it was with Babu Kavlekar. Now when you say that it is not with Babal and it's Babu Kavlekar, how can you say that the custody of Babal Kavlekar is required? You have to choose between one of them. So they themselves are not not certain about who they actually want in custody, whether Babal or Babu. And this itself shows the confused state of investigation. And there is a possibility, see, if my house keys are with somebody else, that person is responsible to explain how the thing has reached there, not me, because once it is with somebody else, the keys are with somebody else, that person can easily keep it.